All right. So first of all, today in this webinar, we are will start some weekly trade recap and trade forecast for the next upcoming week. What is a possible scenario in a major pair, and what we can expect? And after finish uh, weekly uh, outlook, and then we will start quick bar play. As you know, in every webinar, we start a quick bar play backtesting. And after that, we will start a quick question answer. Right. So first of all, start from the market recap. So first of all, look at the Euro USD, and after that, GBP USD, gold, Bitcoin, right? And we will also include Bank Nifty chart for Bank Nifty traders who trade in a Bank Nifty, especially in a Indian stock traders. So let's start from Euro USD first. Start from daily time frame, and what is happening in a daily time frame, and what is a possible scenario in a daily time frame. So first of all, mark the correct structure in a daily time frame. Everyone can mark here. Use annotate. Mark the measure swing high or low, everyone. Because this kind of practice will help you a lot to understand structure and understand a lot of things. Okay. And if you are new, then if you don't know exactly, then you can avoid, but try to mark the structure, but it's okay. Okay. Only mark the measure high or low. Okay, perfect. All right. So correct, everyone. Right now, you can see here where is our structure. First of all, to mark any structure, you need to identify where is our inducement. Without inducement, we can't identify where is our higher high and higher low. If you start from the top, you can see this one is our lower low is here, and this one is our lower high, and this one is a lower low and lower high, lower low and lower high, right? And after this, how we can identifying this one? This is our break of structure, right? And again, market break the structure is here, and same thing here. This one is our break of structure. Why this is happening here? Because market taken out the inducement is here. After taking out the inducement, they confirm this lower low, and same thing happening here. And this is the same process is here, right? So once market taken out the inducement, then our lower low is a confirm in the various market, and same thing happening in a bullish market. When market taken out the recent low, then our higher high is a confirm in a bullish market. So right now we have this a valid structure as per our plan. So at this time, you can see market create new low, which one is here. But this low is not confirmed here. Why? because market did not taken out this high, which is act like an inducement is here. Okay. So right now we are expecting if market taken out this high, which is our inducement, if market taken out this high, this lower low is a confirm. But right now this lower low is not confirmed and market can be pushed more downside like this and maybe break this low. And this is our single leg, something like this possibly. And when market go higher and taken out this first high, which is act like a inducement, minor inducement and major inducement will be happen here if market broke this low, right? So this lower low will be confirmed here. But right now there is a not lower low is a confirm here. Okay. So we can, what we can expect here? As I mentioned in a previous webinar, that market can be pushed downside because this high taken out the previous candle high, which one is here, right? Market taken out the liquidity and this order block is a more high probability, and then market can be pushed more downside, but lower low is not confirmed, right? So we can continue sell here. And right now, what our price are saying here? If I zoom this chart, then you can see between this candlestick gap is here, actual candlestick low is here, which is fulfilled by this move. But when we can sell when market taken out the previous candle high, which one higher, and this high act like a liquidity because every candles high or low in terms of the higher time frame daily candles and weekly candles, high or low act like a liquidity. Session high low is also liquidity. So right now is here, if price go higher, right, taking out this high, then we can expect a push downside, right? And one more thing is here, if you can see minor imbalance between this low and this high, right? So market can be fill this imbalance and then we can see into downside, right? So right now we are looking here for to pull back to the upside, then we can see our sell move into downside in our daily time frame perspective. If I switch into 15-minute, then we can see a very interesting completely market momentum is a bearish is here, right? And completely market momentum is a bearish, and when we can sell after taking out this high, which is here, right? So this is our previous day high, which one is here, and this high act like like a liquidity, right? So price must be taken out this high, then we can sell. So we can expect if price broke this low and this is high, recent high, and go higher, give a reaction, and then higher, and then push higher. So when price taken out this high, we can sell into lower time frame, chalk, taken out the inducement, and then we can sell. Actual main sell will be after taken out this high, right? So if price give any momentum to the upside for the short term buy, then we can definitely buy for the short term, right? But for the longer term perspective, we are looking for sell, and our higher time frame our target will be here, which is a daily low is here. I mean daily structure low, which one is here, right? So if price taken out this high, this will be definitely a fig or trade to the downside, right? And so overall, this is a scenario in a Euro USD in a 15-minute structure, and we are waiting for the sell after taking out this high. Okay. Now let's switch into the another pair as a GBP USD. First of all, delete all things. Look at the daily time frame. So this is our daily time frame structure, and everyone mark the correct structure is here. Mark the correct lower low and lower high because market momentum is a bearish. So everyone can annotate. How can I also write in a chart? You can simply use annotate, which will be also visible on your uh, toolbar, like toolbar. Zoom to click on more, and then you will see uh, annotate. Okay. Correct. Perfect. Okay. So correct, correct. Okay. So now we can see here on the top of the structure, if I mark the recent structure is here. So where is our recent structure is here, recent low and recent high, and below this is a lower low and lower high because market taken out this minor inducement is here, right? And this one is our minor inducement. When market taken out the minor inducement, we can sell, right? Sorry, we can mark after taking out the inducement, we can confirm the lower low and then we can sell after taking out tap on the PY. Same thing happen here. Market taken out this inducement, confirm this lower low, right? And this process will be continue here, lower low, lower high, and these are all break off structure, right? Is here. So right now at this time, we can see there is no inducement in this leg. This is a single leg is here, and still this lower low is not confirmed here. Which one is here, right? So price can be pushed downside, broke this low, and there is any inducement possible here and here. If market take out the inducement, this lower low will be confirmed here, right? This is a not inducement. Look at this one. This is not a valid pullback is here because this candle, black candle, not break the previous, the last candle is high is here, right? So this is an inside bar between this high or low, right? If this candle taken out the previous candle high, so this can be your valid inducement, right? So this is not a valid pullback. So we are looking here for short-term sell here because this high taken out the previous candle high, which act like a liquidity, right? So what we are expecting here? We are expecting same process if market taken out the previous candle high, which one here, and then we are interested for the sell into downside till the previous low, which one is here, correct? So this is the overall process. This is the overall possible scenario in a GBP USD in a daily time frame structure. Let's switch into the 15-minute. So right now in a 15-minute structure, Okay, so in a 15-minute structure, market momentum showing a bearish and looking for continuation into downside. And this is our previous day high. Which one is here? I'm sorry, is here. Correct. So when market taken out this high, we are looking here for sell. Correct. But look at this one. This is a liquidity, or you can say trend line liquidity. When market taken out this high, and we can also sell on this order flow is here. So if market taken out this high, which is also good. If not taken out this high and price tap on this supply zone and give any lower time frame confirmation here, tap here, right? Break this low. This is a change of character, and then we can sell into downside after taking out the inducement. You have to wait for the clear confirmation for the sell. If you mark the correct structure in this time in this line, so everyone mark the 15-minute structure in this line. Only mark the lower low and lower high only, top to bottom. Okay. Okay, perfect. You are doing great job. Okay, perfect. So this was our change of character. Which one is here? Right. And this one is our change of character. And after this change of character, what happened here? Look at this one, lower low. This was higher high, break the structure is here. And this was our lower high, break the structure into downside. This is the first move. So this is a change of character. And after this one, this lower low is a confirm here because market taken out the minor inducement is here. Correct. And there are a lot of inducement is here. An extreme one is here. Correct. So to confirm the high and low, you need to you need to wait for the taken out the inducement, which can be minor or major, doesn't matter, right? So this is a lower high, sorry, lower low, and this is our lower high. And after that, what happened here? Market break the structure is here and close over below it. When price close below it, so this one is a called complete break of structure, push downside. Right now, in this case, we can see market break the structure is here and close below it. So in this leg, where is our inducement at this point, right? So this is our inducement. Why? Because this bullish candle taken out the previous candle high is here. This one is our valid pullback at this point. But what happened here? Market not taken out this high and close. I mean, break this low. Which one is here at this time? So this inducement shift here to here at this point. is here, right? And technically here, right? So this inducement transfer here to here, okay? And then we can see market again push downside, break this low. So our inducement transfer here to here. Again, this lower low, break this lower high, sorry, this low, break this, the next low is here. So our inducement transfer here to here, and technically you can mark this as a, and again, where is our inducement is here, right? When market continue broke the recent low, previous low, then our inducement is also shift, right? So right now we have only one inducement, which one is here, and these all inducement are not valid, right? And you can delete all things is here. So once market taken out this high, we can consider this is our lower low, which one is here, correct? So this can be your valid lower low is here. Then this is our inducement, right? Let's see, after this, after taking out this inducement, we can sell. First area of interest for sell is here. This one is our decisional. As you know, decisional is our 50-50% chances for the buy or sell, right? So this one is our first area for the sell, and the next area of for sell, you have to mark the first order flow. This all order flow is mitigated is here, right? Yes, everything is mitigated. So this is our next zone when we can sell here, right? So this one is our next area of interest. We can say price of interest when we can sell at this point, right? Only two PY is here when we can take risk for the sell. First is the inducement is here, and second on the extreme, which one is a unmitigated. There are a lot of order block, order flow, but these are all mitigated order flow, right? When order flow mitigated, so order block to mitigate order block probability will be very less, right? You can see there are a lot of order block is here, right? But this order block is not accessed because market already mitigate this order flow, every order flow, correct? So right now we have only two zone when we can take risk for the sell, and this one is our high probability compared to the first one, correct? So when market tap on this order flow, we can sell into lower time frame confirmation. Okay, so now let's switch into the another pair. Let's switch into daily time frame first. Okay, so this is our old markup, which I share in a Discord, right? So what happening here, as you know, this is our liquidity point, I mean liquidity zone, market tape on this area, and this is a called demand zone, and a lot of people are buying here, they create liquidity, and when price, everyone buying here, they're putting the stop loss just below it. So when price tap here and push downside and break this low, which is an indication that this demand is not a valid. Okay, technically this is a demand as per the retail, but for me and you, this is a SNR liquidity, support and resistance liquidity. So right now momentum is a bearish and market continue pushing downside, taken out the inducement, tap on the order block, push downside, taken out the inducement, tap on the order block, push downside. Same thing happen here, break the structure, taken out the inducement, tap on this order block and looking for the sell into downside, and we can sell into lower time frame confirmation, a lot of opportunity here for sell. If I switch here into 15-minute structure, then we can see, and this one is our change of character is here, and we are expecting if price are taken out this high, which is I think a daily time frame as a previous candle high is here, correct? So this one is our previous day high. If market taken out this high, we can sell, right? Okay, so right now we have a why we are selling here, because this is our major inducement and minor inducement is here also, right? If price go higher and taken out this inducement, and then we can sell. And some people mark this as a inducement, but this is a not inducement. Look at this bearish candle, which one is here. This is a single leg. If anything happened between this, doesn't matter, right? So if price broke this low, okay, so this can be your next inducement, right? So you have to wait for it, taken out this inducement, then sell. Okay, so this is overall idea about gold in a 15-minute structure. And you can continue sell until taken out this low, which one is a daily time frame. Previous low is here. Okay, and now we should move on the next pair. Okay, Bitcoin, and after that I will take some requested pair. Let's start from daily and weekly. So right now price tapping our order block, which one is here. As I mentioned in every webinar, that market tap on this order block and market trying to push higher, but unable to hold this zone and not able to go higher, correct? And what we can expect here? Okay, we can expect if price broke this low, candle low, which one is here. If price taken out this low, okay, then if we can mark as a minor inducement, possibly here and here and here. Okay, right now we have only one inducement, which one is here, because this is a single leg. And you can wait for to taken out this low, okay, and taken out this high. If price go continue higher, we can sell also. This is not a valid pullback. Why? Because this is a single leg here. This is a candle, previous candle high, and this is low. So this pullback is not taken out the previous candle high. So this is not a valid pullback, right? So this is a single leg, and everything happening between this high or low, right? So this is not a valid. So price trying to uh, go higher, but unable to hold this zone and showing some bearish indication. Market taken out the liquidity and just sweep the previous big high is here like this. So we can expect a price can be more or downside, at least this low, which one is here, right? If I switch into 4 hour, then we can see more clear. And this one is our previous big high, which is taken out by this move. So right now, in this case, where is our inducement? This point. So after taking out the inducement, we can sell probably on the extreme this order flow, just unmitigated. So price can be tapped here, and then we can sell for the short term into downside like this. And when price tap here, then you have to switch into lower time frame. This is a 4 hour. Then you have to switch into 15-minute for the confirmation, right? Chalk or boss and taken out the inducement, and then we can sell till this low, which is a previous major low, correct? So market already grabbed the liquidity is here. Weekly candles high, which was here, and taken out this one, which is an indication that market actually looking for the sell. And now we can see market trying to push downside, continue. And this one is our change of character, minor change of character is here. And this is a valid pullback. That's why I mark this as a change of character. Taking out this change of character, break this inducement and go higher, tap on this order flow and switch into lower time frame, then we can sell into 15-minute confirmation, right? Like no, these are not a valid inducement, I mean valid pullback. Let me show you exactly. This is a bearish candle, but not taken out the previous candle low like this. Yes, this can be exactly. Yes, this is a possible. So right now, taken out this inducement, and then we can expect into downside move, right? So this is an overall view for the Bitcoin. And now let's switch into the another pair, Bank Nifty. In a Bank Nifty, who trade in a Bank Nifty, so we can see our previous all-time high was here, right? So first of all, mark this one, which was in a 2021. Yeah, right, which is already taken out by this move. You can see market taken out the previous high, which is an indication that market looking for the reversal. When market taken out the measure high or low, or taken out the previous candle high or low, which is an indication for the reversal. If market taken out the in a trend, then which act like a continuation, right? So right now taken out this inducement, and as I mentioned in every webinar, that when market taken out the inducement, this big act like a supply zone. Price tap here and give a reaction, and this is our first area when we can expect, right? And then what happened here? Market taken out this low, lower low is here, and sweep this low. When price taken out this low, already mentioned that price looking for the reversal to the upside till this last buying move before the drop is here, and this is our order flow, correct? So when price tap on this order flow, then we can sell, and still looking for the continuation to the upside in a I'm sorry, in a daily time frame. Right now this is a clear. So in a daily time frame, this is a looking a clear. So this is the last buying move before the drop. So price can be tap here, and then we are looking for sell, and a price can be push higher, tap this one and go downside after taking out the previous candle high, and then we can sell like this. Again, change of character, taken out the inducement and then push downside. So this is a possible scenario in a daily time frame structure. Now switch into lower time frame in a 5 minute, then we can see more better that what happening here. Okay, so right now we can see here in a 5 minute structure. 5 minute structure we use as a day trading in a Bank Nifty. Market continue pushing higher high, and I will suggest you everyone mark the structure in a 5 minute, which will helpful for everyone. Everyone mark the structure bottom to top in a 5 minute, and this is a 5 minute structure. Everyone mark. Okay. Okay, everyone. Okay, perfect. So we can see here on the bottom of the structure, this is our lower low, which is taken out this high and go higher high. And our structure confirm here because market taken out the inducement, which is a minor inducement is here. This is our lower low and push downside. So this become our new lower high, break the structure is here. And this one is our break off structure is here. Uh, sorry, again push higher. This is our lower, sorry, higher high because market taken out the inducement. And this become our lower high when market close of it. So this is our new break off structure is here. Again push higher, and this is our inducement. Taken out this inducement, this become our higher high, and this become our higher low. Break off structure and go higher. Right. So overall, this is a scenario, and right now market break this high, and this is our actual minor inducement is here and major inducement, but this is a lower point. So right now, this is a change of character and higher high. After this change of character, where is our inducement? This point. This is our inducement, correct? And this is our inducement. After taking out the inducement, we are looking for sell. And this is our change of character, correct? Yes, we can use this one is also, but this is a very minor inducement, correct? But if you want to mark this one, this is also become a valid, okay, like this. So right now, price are looking for the sell. After taking out this inducement, we can sell on this order block. No, because this is a not a valid order block. Order block valid is our weight. Let me show you exactly on this order flow, which one is here, right? Because in this case, we can see there is a no valid order block. There is a no valid like a pullback, correct? So that's why this is a not a valid area for sell, but we can sell when price tap here and switch into lower time frame, then we can continue sell into downside, at least this one. This is a first target, and this is a second, and this is a final. Okay, so now we should mark the few pairs for on a request. Then I will start quick back testing. After that, I will start quick question answer. What about NAS 100? Yes, this can be also possible, but this is mitigated by this move, this order flow, right? This one is also mitigated, and this is unmitigated. That's why I choose. Okay, so NAS 100 is a most requested pair. I think NAS 100 on one. Okay, start from daily. Okay, perfect. In a daily time frame, structure are looking bearish. And if you can see here, market have filled this imbalance is here. And we can see previous a high sweep, and this area act like a supply zone, right? When price open and go higher and tap on this zone, then we can sell at least this low, right? So this is a possible scenario in a NAS 100 in a daily time frame, but it's take a little bit time, and this big act like a minor demand to give a momentum to push to mitigate this supply zone, which one is here. Once price tap on this supply zone, then we can continue sell. If I switch into 15-minute structure, let me mark the first previous day high. This one. This area is the best for the sell. Okay, almost here. It means on this order flow, right? So on this order flow, we can sell. Looking for here change of character, and this is a kind of liquidity, possibly, and go higher. Tap on this order flow, then we can continue sell. So this is an overall view in NS 100. Okay, guys. So let's start quick back testing. Which pair is a prefer for quick back testing? EU, AU, okay. Yes, ticket in 15-minute place. Yes, I will do in a quick question answer. First, do some back testing. Gold, okay. Bitcoin, EU, US 30, okay. XTI, okay. BTC ranging. NAS 100, ETH, Ethereum, oil, okay. Okay, let's try gold. What do you say, everyone? Let me open the chart first. Because every week, if we backtest a different pair, let's see how gold play with us today. Okay, which pair, which part we should backtest in this entire? For the buy or sell, okay. You mean this one? You did it in last webinar. Yes, I did, but for the GBP USD last time. Okay, we can choose any zone. Okay, this one or this one or this one. Okay, I will start all things. It's okay. This is a very crispy and clear move, but in this case, we can see different like situation. Okay, but okay, let's see. First of all, mark the correct structure. You have to mark the correct structure. And this one is our lower low. Which one is here? Right. And this is our lower low. And this one, our inducement is here. Correct. And I think this one is, sorry. This one is our extreme in this case. And you can say this is our trend line liquidity also. When market taken out the trend line liquidity, you have to wait for the clear confirmation for the buy or sell. Like, yeah, if market is a bearish, right, and break this high, in the left side, there is no order block or there is nothing. So how we can sell? We can simply sell after change of character, but market must be taken out this inducement. After taking out this inducement, at this point, you can switch into lower time frame, then we can sell and set our target is here. Right. So this is a simple way where there is no order block, there is a no POI, then you can use like this. Okay. So in this case, same thing happen here, market type here. Where is our demand? I mean, where is our order block is here. Right. So in this order block, market type here and go, we are looking for the sell, but market did not break this change of character. Which one is here? This is our minor change of character. But price go higher. So how we can sell at this point? You have to mark the previous recent high, which one is here. If market sweep the previous high, then we can sell into lower time frame. Correct. But if market close above it, then you have to wait for the change of character. Main thing is a liquidity when market sweep the measure high or low, which is a strong indication for the reversal. Right. You can see every time frame. I mean, every time, most of the time, sweep this liquidity and push downside. Every time we can see candle sweep this high and push downside, right? So majority of the time when price taken out the previous candle high, sweep the liquidity, then market push downside. In the bullish market, in a bearish market, in every time frame, correct? Like this. And same thing happening here and same thing happen here. Okay, so we can switch into at this point through bar play. Then I will show you that at this point that how you can actually mark this zone. Okay, let's cut this one. Okay, so right now we can see market just sweep the high, which is an indication for the reversal to the downside. So we can sell into lower time frame confirmation. This is a first you need to take a confirmation in a higher time frame, then you can switch into lower time frame for additional confirmation. So right now market taken out the previous high. Now we can switch into 1 minute. Okay. And in this case, where is our change of character? In this case, everyone, I will do vectors with you, and this will help you a lot to you. Where is our change of character? Everyone mark the correct change of character. Okay. Okay. Right now it's here. If you can see, my recent high was here, which was broken here, right? After break the structure, what is a possible scenario? Where is our most recent low? When market tap on your POI zone or sweep the previous high or low, then you have to only wait for the normal structure. I mean, normal high or low. Where is our recent high or low? We can wait for it. And in this case, where is our first internal structure is here, right? In this leg, this is our first pullback. So price must be break this low, right? If market break this low, so this is a confirmed change of character, and this is not a change of character. Why? Because this high not broken is here, right? If this candle break this high, so this become our valid change of character, right? Then we can sell. So in this case, only we have a this change of character. Which one is here? This is a valid pullback is here. So you have to wait for it, right? So let's see what happened next here. Okay. Okay. All right. So now we can see market break this change of character is here. And after change of character, where is our inducement and when we can sell? First of all, mark the correct inducement only. Okay, perfect. So if I zoom this chart is here, little bit here. So we can see this low, I think taken out this low. Yes. So where is our inducement? This high, right? So this become our valid inducement is here. If market taken out this inducement, then we can sell on this zone, right? And this is our supply zone, correct? So this can be our first entry and the next entry on our extreme, right? Because we can't take a decision only tap on the decisional POI, right? And you have to wait for the single candle confirmation because we are already in a 1 minute time frame. And the another entry is possible here if market tap on the extreme. So in this case, where is our extreme? In this case, there is a no extreme is here, but this order block is not valid because this high is not taken out by this, right? So this, but there is minor imbalance is here. IDM cell, I don't know what are you saying. So this is our inducement correct? And this is our area when we can sell. But when price tap here, right, we need a single candle confirmation before the sell, right? So let's see what happened next here. Okay. Oh, okay. There is not a confirmation still. Single candle equal to engulfing. Exactly. Yeah, means taking out the previous candle high and close below it. So that's called enough. So in this case, market continue, uh, close our bid, just sweep the high and close below it. But price tap on must be tap uh, on PY zone, right? Let's see. Oh, I'm sorry. It's very fast. Okay, so in this case, this is our inducement, and where is our extreme? Which one is here? Because our major high is here, which is not broken by this move. If so right now equal high, or you can say also, but I'm expecting like this one. This is our high, which is taken out this one, just act like a liquidity, right? But technically, when price tap on a specific point, those create liquidity, and this is also looks like a SNR liquidity, supply and demand, and a lot of people are introduced here for sell. But in terms of the like structure, right? So when price taken out the extreme and close below it, so this is a perfect indication for the sell. So in this case, we can sell on the next candle open is here, and second entry, I mean, if a candle and shadow is a larger, then we can sell and put the stop loss just below it, above it, right? So this is a possible of first entry, and second entry after taken out this, if price go higher, right, and taken out this zone. So this is a you can see supply uh, in terms of the retailers, but target will be here, right? So this is our first entry. Let's see. Okay. And when market break the first low, which one is here? Major low is here. We can switch our stop loss on a break even point, and this is our first idiom. So you have to wait for it. Let's see. Okay. Okay, perfect. So this can be your loss or break even. It's up to you that how you manage this one. And now we can see in this case, this is our SNR liquidity, as I mentioned. And when market break the any measure demand or supply, which is act like a SNR liquidity. So right now, this liquidity is already grabbed is here, right? So after grab the liquidity, where is our change of character? Okay, perfect. So first one is our change of character, right? And this is our change of character is here, correct? So when market break the first low, and it doesn't necessary that close below it or above it, just sweep the liquidity. So this is also count as a change of character, because market tap on your PY or taken out the liquidity, which is also this one is a count in a PY. So let's see. Okay, now this is a confirmed change of character. Okay, So there is no inducement still. Okay, perfect. So when we can sell? Everyone. Now I'm looking here for two entry right now, but you have to mark where is our two entry, possible two entry. Okay. 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 So, all right. So this is our change of character. After this change of character, you have to identify where is our order block. Order block means last buying candle before the drop, or you can say which taken out the liquidity, right? So in this case, which candle taken out the liquidity? This candle, this bullish candle. This is the last buying candle before the drop, correct? So this one act like a supply zone is here. And if you mark this one, which is also good, but this is a refine of this actual py, which one is here. And this one is our like you can say is a correct order block, which one is here, right? And the last buying candle is here. I'm showing you here because this candle is the highest candle, and the next candle not taken out by this but this candle taken out the all liquidity is here. So this is our very high like a probability zone is here. If price tap here, we can sell here definitely on this and put the stop loss just above it, right? And our target will be same. The first target is here and measure target is here, right? So let's switch into here, and this one is here. And the next possible entry, where is our next possible entry? This is our next possible entry is here because market taken out the previous candle high is here, right? So this is a last bearish candle, which is a taken out, but close below it. So this is a strong indication that market actually looking for the reversal to the downside, right? And in this case, why we don't need inducement? Because mark this portion taken out the liquidity, right? So this is also like this is a strong zone for the sell. And second thing, in this case, market already taken out the liquidity, so we can sell on the next candle open. And our stop loss, our weight, and target will be same, is here, right? And let's see. Okay, perfect. Yes. Let's here. Then we can see clearly. Okay, so in this case, as we can see here, this high is taken out by this move, and this is also act like a inducement in this case, like this. Right? So taken out this inducement and sweep the previous. So when we can add more position, I mean add next position possible. Sometime what happen, you if you miss one position and sometime you miss second position and you are late. So you can, how we can identify where is our next possible entries for sell. Okay, So last buying candle before the drop is here. Let me mark this one. Is here because this is our highest candle, not the bullish candle, right? Because this bearish candle taken out the minor uh, is here. This is a very important thing. So this is our actual order block is here because this candle high taken out the previous candle high, which one is here. If you take the bullish candle, which is not taken out by this move, right? So correct way is here. This is our actual buying move, which is goes up and then push downside. So this is our next possible entry for sell is here, and put the stop loss just to avoid for safer side is here. Okay, and let's see. And this is our actual target. This is a 15-minute low. Okay, and let's see. And where is our break even point, everyone? If market goes well, so when we can break even point? Okay, so in this case, this one is our break even point, which one is here. Why? Because this high broke by this move, so this is our lower low, high broken, and this is our minor structure, and this is our internal structure between this high and this low, right? So internal structure, we can't move stop loss on break even. At least broke this high, broke this low, then we can switch our stop loss on break even point. Okay, all right, let's see. Okay, let's see how it's played. Okay, so right now we can see market break this low. So what we should do in this case? We should use this entry is still valid, third entry or not. Okay, everyone say this is a valid or not. If yes, then why? If no, then why? You can write in a chat section also. No, due to lower low taken out. Okay, OB was not tested. Valid, no boss yet. Okay, I think boss is a confirm because market closed below it previous low. This was is a confirm because close below it. Okay, tough. You don't recommend it to do so. Okay, all right. Okay, so this one is our break of structure, right? After this break of structure, what happened here? You have to mark where is our inducement, right? So in this leg, we can see where is our inducement. If you can see this high act like an inducement, which one is here? Why? You can see this one is our valid up pullback because this high taken out the previous candle high, and this is a very deeper, right? If I mark here like this, very barely break this high, right? So this high act like a minor inducement, and this order block is still valid for the sell. right? And above it there is nothing unmitigated. Okay, so we can take risk here for the sell also, because this area also taken out the liquidity. So this is still valid for the sell. After boss we need inducement first, exactly. So this high act like a inducement, correct? Eagles eye. Okay, and let's see what is the next move. Okay, so now our inducement is a shift, right? And proof the structure is here. And now you have to switch into 15-minute to see exactly that what happening in a 15-minute, because we can't follow only 15-minute, like 1 minute continue, because market break the structure and did not taken out the inducement and push downside. So now in this case you have to switch into 15-minute to see exactly where is our next PY. Okay, so in this case, if any candle taken out the previous candle high, we can switch into lower time frame definitely for the sell. So you have to wait for it. Oh, down. And I think there is no opportunity and market hit target. And if I switch into 1 minute to see exactly, okay, all right. Mm-hmm. But yes, this was a possible entry is here for sell, correct? But we can't take risk here for the sell exactly, as you know that we need a clear uh, confirmation like 15-minute sweep the high or low, which is a strong indication for the buy or sell. So in this case we can't take risk here for the buy, sorry, sell. Why we are taking risk here? Because this low broken here, and this is a taken out the liquidity, right? So we can generally use this is a supply zone for the sell also. And in the when market are taking out the liquidity, so in this case you don't need to wait for the inducement, because market taken out the inducement, sorry, liquidity. Our main purpose is taken out the liquidity or inducement, then we can enter. So in this case market taken out the liquidity, so we can sell. There is no need to wait for the inducement. Okay, so we have only 1 and 2 position is here for sell, and third even 1 loss, 1 miss, and 2 hit target, which is a 14 hour and 19 hour, which is a very good. Okay, and this one is our target point. And now switch into 15-minute exactly. And this one is our external liquidity. When market taken out the external liquidity, then market gave a momentum for the pullback to the upside. Then we can continue looking for sell, continue. Then let's see. Okay, this is a very interesting. Is here. If I switch here. I'm sorry, what happening? Look at this one in this lag. This is our first, which is taken out the previous candle high and close below it. So in this case, this order block can be used as a PY, but for the short term, because market already taken out the like a measure like external liquidity, right? So in some time, what happened? Market tap taken out the liquidity previous high, so tap here and give a short term move. But this type of entry can be a little bit risky, because market taken out the external liquidity is here, right? So we can switch into lower time frame. When price tap here and switch into lower time frame, give any reaction here, then we can definitely sell. Okay, like this, tap here, and then if I switch into 1 minute, then I will see if there is anything possible is here or not. I think oh no. Okay, all right. So let's see what happened next. And this high now act like a inducement. After tap the inducement, where is our order block? Is here, right? But technically, you can see this order block is not taken out the liquidity, right? So we can use the entire zone like this is the order flow. Okay. So if price tap here, then we can switch into lower time frame for sell, and till this to tap this zone, we can short term buy. Market taken out the inducement, I think this one taken out this inducement, and then we can continue sell. Even this is taken out the liquidity, right? So we can short term. Yes, this can be definitely, but there is a no imbalance, so we can't use those zone for the sell. Look at this one, and this we act like a demand zone for the buy, even entire candle. Yes, we can use those order block is also, but price sweep the liquidity. If price close below it, so we can wait for it, right? But if you see the last selling move before the buy is here, which is here, which is a order flow. Order flow is a type, then no need to mitigate your order block, right? So this is our order block, and then we can sell. Yes, this can be your also sweep the liquidity and go. No boss, no buy. I don't know. Yes, this can be a possible buy, but this is a counter trend, and this is also risky, and this is also risky as as I mentioned, because this is a counter trend. Major trend is here because price tap on it, and then we can sell. And this is a like a ping pong entries. Let's see what happened next here in a 1 minute structure. I'm sorry. The same thing happening here in a 15 minute and 1 minute. 15 minute and 1 minute. Oh, now. Okay. So in this case, where is our chalk? And when we can consider for the entry? Okay. Yes, this can be our minor change of factor is here, right? But actual is here. But this type of change of factor we use only when price close below it, right? When price close below it, then you have to wait for the actual structure, which is taken out the inducement, right? So you have to like taken out the inducement. So this is our lower low, lower high, push downside. So break this one, then we can definitely buy for the upside. But when price tap on the supply zone, and like PY zone and sweep the liquidity, then you don't need to wait for break this one. And this one is also, but look at this one. This is our first area, which is a taken out this one, and this is a like change of factor, right? And these are all minor change of factor microstructure, right? Let me show you exactly. This one is our change of factor is here, correct? This is a change of factor because this high taken out the previous candle high, and this is a valid pullback, push downside, and then what happening? Market go higher. But you need to wait for the taken out the inducement or wait for the sweep the liquidity, then we can buy here. So let's see what happened next here. Yes, this one. Let's see. Yes. And this one taken out the liquidity, which is a strong indication that market looking for the buy. Exactly, we can buy here, right? And for the safer side, you can put a stop loss just below it, and this is an aggressive stop loss, and this is a safer stop loss is here, right? Everyone, is it clear here? If anything missing here or any problem, you can write in a chat section also. Okay, thank you. So we can buy here, and target is here, and if price broke this one and filled this demand zone, I mean this buy setup, then we can wait for to develop more price action to confirm buy. Okay, let's see. Okay, so now where is our break even point? Exactly, correct. The first recent high is our break even point. Let's see. Now break the structure is here, correct? After break the first high, our stop loss should be on break even point, correct? So now, yes, yeah, this can be your next entry possible, correct? Yes, this can be possible entry for the buy, right? But I will recommended you uh, don't add multiple position until your first entry on a break even point, okay? For safety purpose, or you can take a small position. If you want to add, then you can take a small position, right? So this is our break even point, and now let's see what happened next here. Okay, there is no additional. Okay, finally target hit, and there is no like a scaling is here. Okay, perfect. To be clear. Okay. Okay, and yes, this can be a possible entry is here as you mark. Yes, this can be possible because this order block taken out the previous candle low, right? When market taken out the high or low, which is a strong indication for the buy or sell. All right, guys. So back testing session is over, and I hope you enjoy a lot of new things you have learned, and new lot of your question will be clear here. And now we should start a quick question answer back to sorry quick question answer. Then after that, I will start. Sorry, after that, I will finish the session. Sorry for my English. Thank you, Mr. Khan. Very good session. Okay. All right, everyone. So if anyone have any question, you can ask me. And if you wanna leave, then you can leave, because all things is clear, because now it's take 5 to 10 minutes for the question answer only. USD CAD 15-minute please view. Okay, I will do. USD CAD 15-minute. I think last webinar I did also 15-minute USD CAD. Okay. All right. So this is a current price action, USD CAD 15-minute. Yes. Okay. So everyone, uh, help Boschet to mark the 15-minute POI. I mean 15-minute structure. Everyone, help them. Okay. Difficult. Okay. Don't worry. Mm-hmm. Okay. I will easy. I will do easy for you. This is our lower low, lower high, because this is taking out the inducement, push downside, and this is our new lower low. And then what happened? Market break the structure is here, and this is our change of character. After this change of character, what happened here? Okay, is here. This is our higher high, and this is our higher low. And again, break of structure is here. After break the structure, we can see right here. A lot of people are confused here. You can see market push upside and downside, and again, look at this price action is here. Okay, this one. But in this case, market not taken out this high and push downside, and again go higher. Again, pull back this one, and at this time, market taken out this inducement. So this one is a clear higher high is here. Yes, exactly like this. Correct. So this one is our inducement, which one is here. And after taking out this inducement, this high rise confirm. And the next attempt, what happened here? Market break the structure to the upside, and this is our new break of structure, push downside. This is our inducement. And after taking out the inducement, our higher high is a confirm here, and this is our higher low. And the next attempt, what happened here? Market break this structure, and this is our new change of factor. Price continue falling into downside, and now we can see this become our lower low because market taken out the inducement is here, right? Taken out the inducement, tap on the extreme push downside, and again market break the structure here, and this is our new break of structure, and this one is our new what is this? Yes, this is our lower low, taken out the inducement, lower high, and close below it. So in this case, there are a lot of like big here, but there is no candle closer below it. So in this case, we can switch into little bit higher time frame to see exactly to confirm this is a boss or not. If in a higher time frame, same thing happening here, so we can avoid and we can wait for the complete structure confirmation, like price push downside and close below it completely. So this high transfer here to here, right? So right now, this is not confirmed boss is here. If I switch into little bit higher time frame, like 1 hour, 30 minutes to see exactly, in a 30 minute is looking at close below it. So this can be used also, we can use as a break of structure. Taken out the inducement and go higher high, and this one is our lower low. Yes, this is mentioned. Okay. Okay. So I hope this will help you a lot. All right. So anyone have any other question? When I approach a new chart, how to find the best starting point, begin the marking the structure. You can use the highest point, like top to bottom. Like in this case, we use bottom to top. Mark the first recent structure, like here. This was our break of structure is here. Simply mark the first structure, like in this case, bottom. So mark the recent structure, and then we can continue. If market momentum is a barrel, so we can start from top. All right. So, so if you are trying to be a scalper, considering a 15 or 5 minute 1 minute time frame, it is better to take look at the minute London and New York session. Do you stay on? Maybe plus. Yes. If you want to trade on a specific time, like on a London and New York session, so you can definitely use like 5 minute and 15 minute and 1 minute for entry, and we can use also session based on trading based on the session, because sessions high low is also act like a liquidity. So once you able to identify the liquidity, where is the liquidity, then you can find setup in like in any session, every session and every time frame. And the next version will be more interesting, Trading Hub 3.0, where I will mention about a session trading, right? And single candle mitigation is also will be improved, and some ping pong entries and a lot of new valuable things coming in upcoming few weeks and months. Yes, today's concept is also work previous day high low, and like you can expect that where is trade going on today, like you can say in another word, like a daily cycle, simply. Not completely daily cycle, but we can identify where is trade going on today or tomorrow and this week. Okay, so there are a lot of things are coming one by one. Do we ever be encounter with the fake chalk? Yes, I most of lot of time. Fake chalk. You are learn something new today. We are learn something new. Okay, thank you. How to can we have more live trading session? Actually, a lot of busy schedule for me to make this. That's why I don't do more live trading session. But I will do if I'm free. Then I will do definitely. Explain how to identify fake chalk. There is a no way to identify fake chalk or was. If market not taken out the liquidity and break the high or low, that's simply this is a fake chalk. Okay. Now only understand the market. Thanks. Okay. Thank you. All right, everyone. So I think we should finish this session. And if someone missed some starting point, then you can watch later. I will upload as soon as possible on Discord. And thank you, everyone. Attend this session and have a nice day and have a nice uh, weekend. Okay. Have a nice day, everyone.